Hey there, I'm excited to get into this little project, so I figured I'd see if I could set up the camera and do a little unboxing video for you guys. Um, Got a new piece here for the XSR900. All right, I think we're all set up, so let's get into it. All right, so like I said, diving right in. Let's see what we got here. Well, that's going to be a bit of a mess, so I'm just going to cut here for a second. Well, I can't say that spray foam packing material is my favorite thing ever, but I was able to get everything out, and it does look pretty good. I am going to put some gloves on just so that I don't get fingerprints all over the exhaust before, they're going to heat cycle and they'll change colors a little bit if you get fingerprints on them. But here we are. We got the new headers out. Look very nice. So that's that, and then we got the Yoshimura AT2 exhaust pipe that'll slip on there. That looks pretty clean. I think that's going to look really nice on the bike. So yeah, next up is to get this old exhaust off of here, and then we'll be off to the races. Alright, so I'm kind of excited. I got all but two bolts left, and then this should drop right out. Alright, we're going to walk around to the other side. Looking for it's actually in front of the kickstand, not behind it. The one behind it is something else, but here we go. Right, and that is one stock exhaust system removed. Don't have my gloves on. For comparison, that's going to be much lighter, even with the pipe. I'll see if I can't weigh the two for comparison, but let me go get a scale. Alright, so good news. After yesterday getting the exhaust off, we're back in the garage. Made a little bit of progress getting some brackets off and ready, and prepping the area. So yeah, looks like we're about ready to throw the headers on and start going back together with the new system. So I'll probably switch angles, switch cameras or whatever, but yeah, this is looking good so far. All right, moment of truth. I'm excited. We got everything on and buttoned up, looking clean. All right, so yeah, we're gonna fire up real quick and get that cold start. I'd say that's an improvement.